stop scrolling and take a deep breath. Right now, inside your body, a masterpiece of engineering is at work. Look at this incredible footage of a mother's body during pregnancy. It's not just about a baby growing, it's about a total internal reconstruction. The organs literally move aside, the ribcage expands, and the heart pumps 50% more blood to sustain a new life. But here is the forbidden question. If your body can do something this miraculous, why do we feel so weak, tired, and aged in our daily lives? The truth is, we have lost the manual to our own machine. Today, we are going on a 60-minute journey, compressed into 8 minutes, to unlock the secrets of your anatomy that have been hidden from the public eye. Welcome to the discovery of your radiant life. Let's talk about the highways of your life, your blood vessels. Did you know that if you laid them end to end, they would wrap around the earth twice? That's 60,000 miles of tubing inside you. Right now, your heart is pushing blood through these tubes at a steady pace. But most of us are clogging these highways with processed sugars and toxic oils. This turns your blood from a flowing river into thick, sticky sludge. Imagine a water pump trying to push thick honey through a thin straw. That is exactly how hard your heart is working right now. This pressure creates inflammation, the silent killer that leads to brain fog and chronic fatigue. To live a radiant life, you don't need expensive pills. You need to clean your internal highways and let the river of life flow freely again. If your body is a city, your liver is the waste treatment plant and the chemical laboratory all in one. In just the next 60 seconds, your liver will perform over 500 different functions and filter nearly 1.5 liters of blood. It's the ultimate protector against the toxins we breathe and eat. But in our modern world, our livers are overwhelmed. We see it in the mirror. Dark circles under the eyes, yellowish skin, and constant bloating. These are not just aesthetic issues. They are warning signals that your master filter is failing. The forbidden secret to a long life starts with supporting this organ. Simple mineralized water, natural antioxidants, and giving your liver a break from constant digestion can reset your entire metabolism. Your liver doesn't need a detox tea. It needs the right environment to heal itself. What if I told you that your body has a built-in delete button for disease? Scientists call this miracle process autophagy. In ancient Greek, it literally means self-eating. While it sounds strange, it is the most powerful anti-aging mechanism known to man. When you stop eating for a specific window of time, usually 14 to 16 hours, your body realizes no new energy is coming in. Instead of panic, it starts a cleanup mission. It looks for old, broken proteins and damaged cells that could eventually turn into cancer or Alzheimer's, and it eats them to create brand new, healthy energy. It's like having a 24/7 renovation crew inside you, fixing your house for free. This is why intermittent fasting is more than a trend. It's a biological necessity for anyone wanting to stay young and radiant forever. Movement is the language of life. Every time you perform a squat or a plank, you are sending a signal to your DNA to stay young. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink, a process called sarcopenia. But you can stop this by performing just 10 to 15 minutes of resistance training 3 times a week. You're not just building a better physique. You're creating a structural cage that protects your organs and supports your spine. Look at this system. Every push, every pull is a victory for your future self. Strength isn't about looking like a bodybuilder. It's about having the energy to live your radiant life to the fullest without pain or limitations. Have you ever had a gut feeling? That's because your stomach is actually your second brain. There is a direct highway called the vagus nerve connecting your gut to your mind. 95% of your body's serotonin, the happiness hormone, is produced in your intestines, not your brain. If your diet is full of processed junk, your mental health will suffer. Brain fog, anxiety, and mood swings often start in the gut, not the head. When you heal your digestion with fermented foods and fiber, you're literally cleaning your mind. A radiant life starts with a happy stomach and a clear, focused brain. Treat your gut like a garden, and your mind will bloom. The most forbidden secret of longevity isn't a pill. It's deep, restorative sleep. During the third and fourth stages of sleep, your brain literally flushes out metabolic waste. Think of it as a nightly car wash for your mind. This is also when your growth hormones are released to repair damaged tissues and burn fat. Without 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, your internal machine begins to rust from the inside out. You can eat perfectly and exercise every day, but without rest, you are running on empty. To truly glow from within, you must protect your sleep environment. Turn off the blue light, cool down your room, and let your body perform its nightly miracles. Now you know the secrets. You've seen the miracle of birth, the highways of your blood, and the power of cellular rebirth. Knowledge is only potential. Action is power. Starting today, I want you to commit to our 30-day total body system. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for a sign. This is your sign. Save this guide, follow Radiant Life Secrets, and share this forbidden wisdom with someone you care about. We are building a community of people who refuse to settle for average health. Your journey to a stronger, more radiant version of yourself begins with a single step. Let's make it happen together. Welcome to your new life.